everyone! I think many delicious foods come from the sea.
Yes, like fish and shrimp.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Fishermen catch fish from the ocean using their nets.
It's a very hard job, you know?
I am undecided, well.
Yeah, because sometimes the weather is really bad.
They even work very early in the morning.
I think fishermen's jobs are very important.
All the way. Because they give us fresh and healthy seafood to eat.
Without them, we couldn't eat many kinds of fish.
So, it's important to appreciate their hard work.
I think fishermen's jobs are super important, you know? They give us all that amazing, fresh, and healthy seafood to eat.
Totally. Imagine if they weren't there.
We couldn't eat so many kinds of delicious fish.
So it's really important to appreciate all their hard work. They work so hard to bring us good food.
And when I eat fresh fish, I just feel so happy and strong. It's like a superpower for my taste buds.
So let's always remember to be grateful for our amazing ocean.
And for everyone who brings us its delicious treasures.